beautiful where we get to sit on the show and listen. We learn a lot, and on Fridays, I told you, we go down, we have a great time, and it's time to talk about something that I love. You guys know I love to change my looks all the time. Yeah, I like when I look beautiful, and obviously today I look extra beautiful. I'm giving what do you guys? What are the Gen Z saying these days? 10 over 10 minus nothing. Clark it. What am I looking like again? Body C, body is matcha, and at the end, Asa, I'm looking like a bottle of or a full box of Didi Sheto, because once I Didi Sheto, so there. So yes, again, we get into my very, very beautiful segment. I really like this one because it teaches us a lot. It's time for DIY. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Now, when I came into the studio, I told you that I'm wearing dress from where? Yes, Elikime Collective, and the CEO herself is here. And so please put your hands together for Benis from Elikime Collective. Yo, see the soldiers. Should give it to me? I give it to you. Go back to me. Yes, I think you guys can do it better. Did you see that dance? Swag queen, but you didn't believe me. Did you see the swag? Yeah. So when your vendor dresses like this and sells really good clothes, you would have a great time wearing the dresses. So Benis, you're welcome.
Thank you.
It's amazing to have you in the studio.
Thank you.
Finally. We've been speaking all the time, and she tells me how beautiful her stuff are. Waka train so one time the end dear a demonstration quality so dear. We don't play about it. Do you understand? Because look at what I'm wearing right here. It looks stunning, right? So and then we are getting into how to style our clothes. And most of the time, in they don't know how to style them. Someone will buy a jeans, will say, "Oh, I really have a jeans." But she could have styled a different way. So we look at the dress in front of you, for instance. In Tatadia way, you have a friend saying, bareback. I think that's what people call it. In Tatadia, it's a bareback. No, how can you always make it look different? Before that, I'm coming. Let me turn it so people understand when I say that it is bare. So this is what we're talking about, right? And see, at idea to say, how would you style it differently?
Okay. Young fan is CIBR. Call crew, you're going out, and at idea we open social fufu because especially dinner and say ABR. Outing be
right
now person styling it differently. I see.
Oh,
yeah. It is saying. Yeah, but right. The back,
okay,
and the front view.
You see, easy peasy. So we say because if you wear like this,
there's no way be because you're crossing way chino Eddie aba auntie say a yes sunny cry. One obey who the way obey right because there's no way say
okay
and away no. And yeah, just out in with media beach.
Right.
Yeah.
So hold on, before Ube Sanin, Danibium Nayan share what we have been able to do. So this is a full 360 of what we've done. Now it was a halter neck, like it was a bareback, right? And so she says if you want to go for dinner, you can always retie it and then get this style. Now we'll see your beach. I anything.
So let's see.
Right now, you have two dresses in one, right? Now she's teaching us something else. So this is for when you're going to the beach, right? Hey, star ho. Okay.
I also.
Yeah. Nice. And you realize that it doesn't even take more than 10 minutes. It's less than 10 minutes. So, let's look at how it's looking at the back. Wow.
The back.
So I'm sure if you wanted to buy this dress, you would think that's Atadia Bako. And then someone will also go and buy bareback and buy another dress like this, buy another one in another style and think that is different. It's Atadia Bako. Styles bear 2 billion. I see. So this one to Ensane.
Tabi Ensaneda.
Okay. And we can wear this to the beach.
The beach as well.
Okay. All right. Now, Yenshe, let's get into a way so semester.
Yeah.
How can I make it different?
Oh, say amayeni be obi ohwa oni yefunu betumi any see. And as a wanya baby girl party, birthday party, na ukona beso look smart.
Yes.
Just say no one say. Ubeso mutse ni amasumi eno ne ba.
Right. Into peja kakrebi pe.
Baby purchase say. Oh kwa.
When you and then the person is good to go.
Yeah. And you funny say ebia the same dress na opese udipie. Umu odru kakra bia oyefunu ho kakra. No one say ubebiem see. Na waye ni see.
That's all. Now my inside you.
Sani beya. Achiri no.
Yes. Yeah.
This is nice. Dress we are so no. Ubetumi attacking say uni yefunu and now you okay say wo yefunu without ebia obedwe say bia bibi obi be wan we and also no utumi ma wo belt kakra now attacking in
na akọ
inside nti and also ko inside say na top no.
It's beautiful. Yeah. This is so nice. Now, in your way, our train now, someone is at home and they're watching us and they're asking, where can we get some? Into business, no, where is it located?
If I told me, why far coin, so if baby Ankonam Junction, it's we drank Ankonam Junction. Me pacho was so frame.
Okay.
On your junction, also an a shop miss. Timpacho to me so frame. It was 0244 884191.
Pacho Bobim.
Pacho 0244 884191.
Pacho, into we drew Ankonam Junction now. Call us, Oyarefa. Okay, call her and she will make you look beautiful. And see, Nyama Bay and Yum out of town.
And your man in your way pay. Say, yes, here they bahanka yanko.
I
think my church dresses. And I would dinner wears. So, party wears. So, and also sometimes they be on here hot sneaker be. You was so looking hot. You wouldn't be
in our office in Tadian so
at your office wear. Yeah, classy. Me, I just say, classy, but affordable.
Thank you. It's classy and affordable, dear. The only place you find this is what's Elikime Collective. Please go and buy. Visit her, you heard her, you can come into the shop and buy yourself. And the prices are there. Very beautiful. And you can buy for yourself as well. So, but I saw buy and now only say, yeah, bebaho. Because yeah, 30 billion. Right. So please do well to visit and get your stuff and thank you because it's going to be a great time. Please.
Braziers, BBB panties.
So please visit, okay? Visit and buy. She also does wholesale as well. So walk in and get yours, okay? Thank you for coming. Thank you for staying. Thank you, audience. It's been amazing. To the production team. Thank you to every one of you. We'll see you again on Monday. And until then, please keep rejoicing because Ghana won against Panama. We'll see you again. Be safe and enjoy the rest of your weekend. I love you. I'm Loy Shalade.